So I got my new tawag niya, USB-C cable. USB-C 2.0 nga lang siya, but still pinapakita pa rin yung wattage. So ang aking charger na supposedly is 65 is 63 lang. So that's fine, malapit naman siya. Itong phone, pag sinacharge ko siya, nagkakap lang siya sa 20 instead of 25, which is yung nakalagay. And dapat supposedly 25 siya, pero 20 lang. At least alam ko na this time around. But again, there are factors. Yung length, that's one factor. Other impurities and so on and so forth. So yeah, pero at least malapit pa rin naman, 63.5 if I'm mistaken, for this cute little Uno charger of mine. So puro Ugreen tayo, Ugreen power bank, Ugreen yung cable, tapos Ugreen din yung charger. Because I really find Ugreen as a good brand. Pero di pa ako sponsor, pero kung gusto nyo sponsor, pwede rin naman, diba? Yun lang naman, mabilis lang.